Digital product sales, creating and selling downloadable products. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of digital product sales, creating and selling downloadable products. Creating and selling downloadable products can be a lucrative venture, offering a passive income stream and the potential for scalability. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or expert in a particular field, digital products allow you to monetize your expertise and creativity. Here are 10 key points to consider when creating and selling downloadable products. Before we dive into our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 10. Identify your niche. Choosing a niche that aligns with your expertise and interests is crucial for creating valuable and engaging content. When you are knowledgeable and passionate about a subject, you can create content that resonates with your target audience more effectively. Your expertise allows you to provide valuable insights, while your passion shines through in your work, making it more engaging. Additionally, being familiar with the niche makes it easier to stay updated with the latest trends and address the needs of your audience. This alignment sets a strong foundation for creating successful downloadable products that cater to your audience's interests. Furthermore, establishing yourself as an authority in your chosen niche can enhance your credibility and attract a loyal following, ultimately contributing to the success of your downloadable products. Number 9. Create high-quality content. Investing time in creating high-quality downloadable products is essential for attracting and retaining customers. Whether you're creating ebooks, guides, templates, or software, the key is to provide real value and solve a problem for your audience. Your content should be well-researched, informative, and easy to digest. By addressing a specific need or pain point, you can position your products as must-have resources for your target audience. This not only helps in driving initial sales, but also in building a loyal customer base who trusts your brand and is more likely to purchase from you in the future. Number 8. Optimize for search engines. To improve the visibility of your digital products on search engines, it's crucial to use relevant keywords and optimize your product descriptions. Conduct keyword research to identify terms your target audience is searching for and incorporate these keywords naturally into your descriptions. Focus on long-tail keywords that are specific to your niche to attract more qualified leads. Additionally, optimize other elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, and image alt text to improve your product's chances of ranking higher in search results. Number 7. Build an email list. Capturing leads by offering free downloads in exchange for email addresses is a powerful strategy for building a targeted email list. By providing valuable content for free, such as ebooks, templates, or guides, you can attract potential customers who are interested in your niche. Once you have their email addresses, you can nurture these leads by providing them with more valuable content, personalized offers, and updates about your products or services. This targeted approach helps build trust and engagement with your audience, increasing the likelihood of converting them into paying customers when you market your other products to them. Number 6. Set the right price. Researching your competitors and understanding market demand is essential for setting the right price for your digital products. Analyze what similar products are priced at and what features they offer. This can help you position your product competitively in the market. Additionally, consider the perceived value of your product and the willingness of your target audience to pay for it. Offering discounts or creating bundles can be a great way to attract more customers. Discounts can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to make a purchase, while bundles can provide added value and appeal to a wider audience. Just ensure that your pricing strategy aligns with your overall business goals. Number 5. Utilize social media and content marketing. To effectively promote your downloadable products, leverage social media platforms and content marketing strategies. Create engaging posts that highlight the benefits and features of your products. Share valuable content related to your products, such as how-to guides, tips, and industry insights, to attract and engage your audience. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling calls to action to encourage clicks and downloads. Additionally, consider running targeted advertising campaigns on social media to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and monitor your analytics to track the performance of your promotions. Number 4. Offer excellent customer support. Offering prompt and helpful customer support is crucial for ensuring a positive experience for your customers. respond to inquiries and issues quickly and effectively to resolve them as soon as possible. Provide multiple channels for customer support, such as email, live chat, and phone support, to cater to different preferences. Train your support team to be knowledgeable about your products and services so they can provide accurate information and assistance. Additionally, use customer feedback to improve your products and services, which can lead to more positive reviews and repeat purchases from satisfied customers. Number 3. Monitor and analyze performance. Tracking the performance of your digital products using analytics tools is essential for understanding their effectiveness and improving your overall strategy. These tools can help you identify trends in customer behavior, such as which products are most popular or which marketing channels are driving the most traffic. By analyzing this data, you can optimize your marketing strategies to reach more potential customers and improve your products based on customer feedback. Additionally, analytics can help you track your progress towards your business goals and make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts for the best results. Number 2. Stay updated with trends. Staying relevant in your industry requires keeping a close eye on trends and customer preferences. Regularly update your products to reflect these changes and meet evolving needs. Engage with your audience through surveys, social media, and customer feedback to understand their preferences and expectations. Monitor your competitors to see what strategies are working for them and how you can differentiate yourself. By staying informed and adapting to changes in your niche, you can ensure that your products remain attractive. Number 1. Diversify your product range. Expanding your product range can help you cater to a wider range of customer needs and preferences. Consider offering both free and paid products to attract a broader audience. Free products can serve as a way to attract new customers and build trust, while paid products can generate revenue and provide value the customer is willing to pay. Conduct market research to identify potential gaps in your product offering and understand what customers are looking for. By diversifying your product range, you can better meet the needs of different customer segments and potentially increase your overall sales and customer base. Creating and selling downloadable products can be a rewarding venture if done strategically. By identifying your niche, creating high-quality content, and effectively marketing your products, you can build a successful digital product business. Stay updated with industry trends. Listen to customer feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on digital product sales, creating and selling downloadable products.